A very good morning to all of you. This is Tanishka Dubey, your English teacher. Now today we are going to start our new topic. This is sentence. That is sentence. So chapter number 6 of English grammar, that is sentence. Today we will learn about what is sentence. Okay. First of all, I just like to explain the definition of sentence. What is sentence? First question is in our mind that what is sentence? Okay. So I'll explain you. This is the definition. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Okay. First of all, think here. Which makes a complete sense. This is very important thing that when you make any sentence, when you make anything, you have to be in sense. Okay. That gives you proper sense. Okay. Means complete sense. So this is the proper definition of sentence. That a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Which makes a complete sense. Okay. And you have to remember that a sentence always starts with a capital letter. Okay. A sentence always starts with the capital letter and end with full stop, question mark. Okay. These are the sign of full stop, question marks, exclamation marks, or etc. etc. Okay. Now, here there is a one example of sentence. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. This sentence gives us full sense. Means complete sense. Start with capital letter and with full stop. And this sentence has a sense that New Delhi is the capital of India. Is this clear? Like, I like to give you an example of full stop. That what is your name? It has a mean that I am asking your name. That what is your name? Okay. Now, next thing. Subject is divided into two parts. Okay. Subject is divided into, sentences is divided into two parts. Okay. First one subject and second one predicate. Okay. Sentences is divided into two parts. First one subject, second one predicate. Now, one question is in our mind that what is subject and what is predicate? What is the difference between subject and predicate? I'll explain you that what is the difference between subject and predicate. Here the definition is written subject. What is subject? The subject is what or whom. Okay. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about. The what or whom. Okay. Here's the example. No, I'm not written an example here. Okay. Like Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. So Ram is subject here. Okay. Ram is subject here. Okay. Second one, predicate. Okay. Predicate. Now what is predicate? If I know that Ram is subject, then what is predicate in this sentence? Okay. Here the definition of predicate. The predicate is the part. Okay. The predicate is a part that tells something about the subject. Okay. That tells something about the subject. When we are talking about Ram, Ram is a good boy. Then what the qualities of Ram? Ram is a good boy. Is a good boy is predicate here. Okay. We are talking about Ram. So Ram is subject and other thing are predicate. Is this clear? Now, next part, sentences are divided into three types. Okay. Sentences is divided into three types. First one simple sentence, second one compound sentence, and third one complex sentence. Okay. First one simple sentences, second one compound sentences, and third one complex sentences. Now here I am going to explain each types. Okay. Each types of sentences. First one simple sentences. First one simple sentences. Okay. Now a simple sentence has only one clause. Okay. A simple sentence has only one clause. Means it has only one sentence. A cat caught the mouse. Okay. A cat caught the mouse. This is very simple. So it is in simple sentence. Okay. Next, compound sentence. Compound sentence. Now what a compound sentence is? A compound sentence has two. Okay, has two or more than two clauses. Has two or more than two clauses that can stand on their own, that can stand on their own. This is the definition of compound sentences. Here's the example. Our team tried hard. Okay, this is first sentence. But we lost the game. In this sentence, you have two clauses. This sentence have two clauses. So this is counted in compound sentence. This is counted in compound sentence. Now third part, complex sentence. Now third part, complex sentences. Complex sentences. A sentence is made up of a principal or main clause. Okay, principal or main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Okay, it has subordinate clauses. In this sentence, subordinate clauses. For example, she believed. Okay, she believed in fairy tales. Okay, when she was young. Okay, she believed in fairy tales when she was young. Okay, now your chapter is finished. If you have any queries, then you will call me or